Hi, I'm Matt from eSpares. In this video, I'll show you how to replace the fan oven element on this Rangemaster cooker. If your oven is no longer heating up, but the thermostat indicator light is coming on, it is likely that the fan oven element needs to be replaced. Safety first, always disconnect an appliance before carrying out any work. I'm going to start by removing any shells from inside the oven. The fan oven element is located behind this back panel, so I'm going to remove that by undoing the 4 screws that hold it in place. And here we have the fan oven element held in place by 3 screws, 1 at the bottom and 2 at the top here. On your cooker, you may well be able to disconnect the fan oven element from the oven, pull it through and then release the electrical connections at the back. On this particular model, we're going to have to go around the back of the cooker to disconnect the electrical connections. Before I do that, I'll just unscrew the fan oven element from the back of the oven. I'm just going to use a multimeter to test the old element. So I'll just put the probes on the terminals. No reading there whatsoever. I'll just show you on the new element. You should have a reading. Yeah, there we go. So we can see that the old element has failed and we do indeed need to replace. I'm now going to screw in place our brand new fan oven element and then connect the electrical connections at the back of the oven. With the fan oven element firmly screwed in place, I can now pop the back panel in. Before lining up the holes and screwing it back in place. I can now replace the shelf. And now all I need to do is to go to the back of the machine and connect the electrical connections. The electrical connections are located behind this panel, so I'm just going to unscrew the 5 screws that hold it in place and remove. And here we can see our terminals for the fan oven element. As you can see, the holes that the element passes through are very small. So when you try and pull the fan oven element towards you from inside the oven, these electrical connections come off. So that's why we've had to come to the back of the oven to reconnect them. So we have the earth terminal here, always goes to the central terminal. And I can see that this yellow one is nice and short, so that will go to the nearest terminal. And then we have this blue one, which is nice and long, so I'll connect that to this one. Then I can replace the back panel. So there we have it, one brand new fan oven element fitted to this Rangemaster cooker. Remember, spares and accessories for all the appliances around your home can be found on the eSpares website. Thanks for watching.